Okay guys, welcome here again. Today I'll be showing you new tags that has been added to the CEXP.io power tap, and don't forget to always tap for the day. I have 100 taps, so let me just quickly tap that and show you the new tags that has been added so that you can increase your earning on CEXP.io power tap. So already you know this tap is coming from already an existing exchanger, so bear it in mind that this is heading somewhere positive. So if you come to tags, before now I think we've done our tags depending left with the referrals and to check the box for the app, which I've installed the app. I'm yet to register. I'll also do a video on how to sign up on the app so that you can quickly do that and put a check so that you can get your reward. Now this was the last place after you've done your tags that we stopped on the last video. This is it right here, to invite 100 for. But then again, we've had more tags. Share the Twitter too on X and get 500 CEXP. So we have about 3 Twitter shares, 1 Facebook post share and all. So at the end of the day, if you are able to complete all these tags, you get a total of about 4,000 SEC to your token, added to your token. So there are about 4,000. So don't sleep on it, quickly jump on it and do that so that you can get the 4,000. And don't forget to always claim your farm and start the farm for the next era. Claim your farm and start the farm so that it keep mining for you and your squad. Always come here and claim. You see, I have about 2,200 that I'll claim for my squad. So I've claimed that, and you can see the 200,000. So my squad are really engaging. Yeah, they are really engaging. They are firing up. They are earning, and that is it. So that will be all. This is just a video. If you haven't jumped on this tap airdrop already, I will drop the link in the description and also on the Telegram channel so that you can quickly jump on it and start earning for yourself.